Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Feeling trapped by debt and an empty bank account? What if I told you that in the next few minutes, I'm going to share a 4-step blueprint that can take you from broke to financially free? This isn't about some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven, practical path that I've seen work time and time again. So, if you're ready to change your financial future, stay tuned. The journey from broke to free starts not in your wallet, but in your mind. This is step 1, the mindset reset. You have to stop thinking like you're broke and start thinking like you're wealthy. What does that mean? It means ditching the victim mentality. Stop blaming the economy, your boss, or your circumstances. Instead, take radical ownership of your financial situation. Repeat after me. I am in control of my financial destiny. This isn't just positive thinking. It's about rewiring your brain to see opportunities instead of obstacles. Wealthy people believe they create their life. Broke people believe life happens to them. Which side do you want to be on? Start by reading books on financial mindset, listening to podcasts from successful entrepreneurs, and surrounding yourself with people who talk about success, not struggle. This shift is the foundation for everything else that follows. Okay, with a new mindset in place, let's get practical. Step 2 is the financial detox. It's time to get brutally honest with your money. For the next 30 days, I want you to track every single penny you spend. Yes, every coffee, every subscription, every little purchase. Use an app or a simple notebook. The goal here isn't to feel guilty, it's to gain clarity. You can't fix a leak if you don't know where it is. At the end of the 30 days, you'll look at your spending and see exactly where your money is going. This is your moment of truth. You'll probably be shocked. This is where you identify the money leaks, the non-essential spending that's draining your resources. This is also where you create your first real budget. Not a restrictive prison, but a freedom plan. A budget tells your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Now that you've detoxed your finances and have a plan, it's time to go on the offensive. Step 3 is to build your financial fortress. A fortress has 2 key components, a strong defense and a powerful offense. Your defense is your emergency fund. This is your buffer against life's unexpected curveballs, a car repair, a medical bill, a job loss. Your first goal is to save at least $1,000 as quickly as possible. Put it in a separate high-yield savings account and do not touch it unless it has a true emergency. Once you have that, your next goal is to build it up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund is your peace of mind. It's what allows you to make decisions from a place of security, not desperation. Now for the offense, attacking high-interest debt. List all your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. This is the debt avalanche method. Pay the minimum on all of them, but throw every extra dollar you have at the one with the highest interest rate. Once that's gone, roll that payment into the next one. This creates a powerful snowball effect that will help you become debt-free faster than you ever thought possible. You've reset your mindset, you've detoxed your spending, and you've built your fortress. You are no longer broke. Now it's time for the final and most exciting step, the wealth multiplier. This is where you go from financially stable to financially free. Step 4 is all about making your money work for you. This means learning to invest. I know, the word investing can sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. You can start simple. The most proven path to long-term wealth is consistent investing in low-cost index funds, or ETFs. Think of it like this. Instead of working for money, you're putting your money to work in a team of the world's best companies. And it grows for you 24/7 through the power of compound interest. The key is to start now, no matter how small. Even $50 a month can grow into a significant sum over time. Automate your investments so the money comes out of your account every payday without you even thinking about it. While your investments grow, focus on increasing your income. Learn a new skill, start a side hustle, or work towards a promotion. The more you earn, the more you can invest, and the faster you'll reach true financial freedom. So there you have it, the Broke to Free blueprint in 4 steps. 1. The mindset reset. 2. The financial detox. 3. Build your financial fortress. And 4. The wealth multiplier. This isn't a race, it's a marathon. There will be ups and downs, but if you stick to this blueprint, you will change your life. Freedom is not a dream. It's a destination you can reach with the right map. This is your map. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you on your financial journey. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to start with today. See you in the next video.